I was invited to an awesome event called Raising Bilingual Children in a Multicultural World. And I'm so happy that I went. The organization that put it on is called HITN Learning. And they have a lot of awesome resources for parents and for educators on doing things bilingual, learning Spanish, learning English. It was just so amazing. They have a kit that you can purchase. I bought one of them. I'm so excited I'm going to post a lot about it, guys, so you guys can follow along. The lady is using the app portion of the kit. It was so amazing, super diverse, a lot of really fun applications a part of this. And it's in English and in Spanish. The kit also came with a book, came with a lot of different other resources. Another really cool thing about this is they actually have a 3-dimensional application to it. Look at that. When Addi saw that, she was amazed. She was walking around looking at this little apple tree and counting with it and learning Spanish. She knows apple now, manzana, which was so cool. It was just so much fun. I'm so happy we went to this event, and I'll put all the links in the description so you can follow along with this organization. It's such a great organization. I'm so happy to find it. They also had face painting. Look at how adorable Addi is. She was so excited. She was like, "Look, Mom, I look like a fairy princess." They also had a really amazing speaker. This woman is so passionate about being bilingual. She kept telling us that knowing Spanish and being bilingual really is a superpower. And she's right. Being bilingual opens up so many different opportunities. It's such a beautiful thing. At the event, they also gave away a lot of really great prizes. That's one of the winners right there. And here's Addi playing with the app. She really loved it. She had so much fun. I'm so happy I was invited to this event, and I hope that you guys follow HITN Learning and really incorporate a bilingual lifestyle into your life. I'm so excited to get started.